Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Boo's menu, we are going to make blackened chicken breast with arugula and spinach salad and boiled corn on the cob. So we are going to start with the corn as it doesn't need much time to cook. So let's get started. Start with a large pot of cold water and bring it to a boil before adding corn. As soon as the water boils, add the cobs of corn and allow it to boil for 1 minute at a full boil. It's been 1 minute. Simply turn off the heat. Cover the pot. Allow the corn to cook on its own for another 25 minutes. Now we're gonna move on and make oregano lemon vinaigrette. In my bowl, I'm gonna add lemon juice along with extra virgin olive oil, I'm gonna add honey, minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. Then I'm gonna mix it well, just like so, guys. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and pop in the fridge until ready to use. Next, we're gonna work on our chicken breast. Place the chicken between 2 pieces of saran wrap, just like so, guys. Use the mallet to pound the chicken breast to even thickness. Pounded chicken tenderizes the meat, making the cooked results more tender. If you don't have a mallet, just use cast iron or a rolling pin. We're gonna go ahead and season our chicken. I'm using blackened seasoning. If you don't have it in hand, you can use any poultry seasonings. It will also work well. I have my grill preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. Drizzle olive oil on the chicken. I'm using my hands to rub it on, guys. You can use brush. I prefer hands. The best kitchen tool ever. Okay, guys. Just like so, guys. Grill the chicken covered over indirect medium heat for 4 to 6 minutes on each side. While the chicken is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make peppery white sauce. In my bowl, I have mayonnaise. I'm gonna add salt, black pepper, lots of black pepper, guys. I'm gonna also add water, apple cider vinegar. Mix well, then set it aside until ready to use. Baste your chicken with the peppery white sauce. After 4 minutes, flip your chicken and keep basting frequently with the sauce until it's well cooked. Cover with the lid and let it cook for the last 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and make arugula and spinach salad. Into the bowl, I'm gonna add sliced and halved cucumbers, grape tomatoes, kalamata olives, sliced onions. Give it a toss. Next, I'm gonna add arugula and spinach, feta cheese, and oregano lemon vinaigrette. Then toss everything to combine. Now it's time to serve our food. There you have it, guys. Dinner on a budget. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.